Hi, this is Manta. As a business owner or as an entrepreneur, you always wanted to focus on your core business and leave the balance to be managed by experts from their field. I am sure you will agree that in any business, your human capital, that is your employees, play a major role in your success. Have you ever thought of how an employee life cycle completes its course? What all processes and stages it goes through? Let me give you a quick snapshot. It all starts with manpower planning, and so job postings and job search is the first step. Potential employees are scheduled, interviewed, appropriate ones are hired and brought on board. As he starts working, calculation and processing of his time and attendance and leave requests with approvals needs to be taken care of. His travel arrangements and expense management need attention. As the month ends, his payroll shouts for processing. We want our correct salaries on time, isn't it? Nowadays, forward-looking organizations provide their employees with a transparent information system using employee self-service portals and even publish into their mobiles. A place from where he manages all his requests, sees all responses from different connected teams, and engages with his organization on the internet across different locations globally. Based on his performance, either he is evaluated or is engaged in training sessions, or maybe both. As your organization grows, roles change and requirements are redefined. This calls for quick actions, and reorganizing that must be managed accurately and with speed and flexibility. Employees stay and grow. A few move on when they feel it's the need for the moment. Separation and settlement process are equally complex and needs to be managed on both the sides of the pay scale. And the circle of life continues with another recruitment in parallel all this while. Wouldn't it be amazing if this entire cycle is simplified or say centralized? Every process under one hood, every task you plan at your fingertips. Pleased to introduce you to ZingHR. I'm on cloud 9 already. So yours is a 10-member startup, 52,000 employees, or perhaps an enterprise level organization, whatever the case may be, and however simple or complex HR business processes and rules you may be following. I'm sure you always long for that productivity and confidence at your fingertips and the ability to get your business rules framed quickly. ZingHR is a complete end-to-end employee lifecycle HR software available on the cloud with best practice solutions, easy to use interface, and a comprehensive list of scenarios to fit to your company's needs. Oh, you've already Googled for it. Well, I'll take you there. Just log into www.zinghr.com. ZingHR understands your human capital needs like none before. ZingHR HCM delivers your human capital business needs through its scalable deployment software model. With over 20 plus integrated modules to fulfill every HR function, ZingHR is one of the most powerful HRMS softwares, managing more than 450,000 employees across 300 plus global clients. Sounds interesting? Come, click on this 30 days free trial button. Oh, you first want me to take you through it? No problem. I'll quickly fill this sign up form and let's hit to get started. Now, while I fill up my login information, you can have a look at the quick links available on this page. Your service and support needs can be addressed here, and this section enables you to download mobile app for your ZingHR account from Google Play Store. Coming back, with all the details filled up, it's time to log in. Welcome home! It's quite homely, isn't it? As an employer, I can design what I want employees to view based on what their roles are and what rights of usage are assigned to them. I have so many control options. I can get to create dashboards that are required for management, business managers, HR team, and of course employees across roles. Management dashboards, reports, information alerts, trigger emails, governance reporting, statutory compliances are all now enabled. Let's get back to how productivity of employees and compliance is impacted immediately. As an employee, I can personalize my profile here. by entering my information and putting up my photograph. Zing Connect gives you an awesome collaborative platform for your organization to promote jobs to all social networks from one place. Don't worry if you don't use social networks. ZingHR uses them the most effective way for your business formally. People search, know your colleagues and get their info. It's like a handy company phone directory where you locate employees even if you don't know their complete name. This section will remind you to wish your colleagues on their birthdays. Knowing your new colleagues or the new joinees is no longer a task. It's here. Their information will be flashed for you. Crazy? Yeah, it's all here. I keep a track on the company announcements, circulars and important notifications just over here. My information menu has details on my dossier, my salary, my tax and their related sub-menus. In the help desk management menu, I can view or raise queries and get guaranteed responses if it is designed that way by my company. This is too much, isn't it? Claims can be applied in claims management menu. If at all any employee wishes to quit the job or indicate intent to, they can submit their resignation in the e-separation menu. Triggers will alert all concerned. The Leave Management System tab allows you to apply for leave, or you can simply check the list of holidays here. The TNA section has your entire time and attendance menus. So, how does it feel? Quite handy, isn't it? Well, we've seen just a smaller part of the whole bouquet. This was what one can get while being logged in as an employee. If I'm the manager, I'll log in as manager from here. I can keep track of my team members, their leave requests, claim requests, appraisals. Now my homepage has an additional menu for recruitment management, where I can manage the requisitions and process the candidates. Besides, I can verify or approve claims submitted by the employees, give approvals on separation process and approve leaves directly from my pull-down menus. I get my MIS dashboards for quick decision making. If I switch my role to HR, I get a lot many extra tools in my menu bar. Site management menu has a host of features like I can configure my leave policies, payroll policies and all other modules just in a few minutes. That's not all. ZingHR also offers me best practice templates based on my industry vertical. I can go ahead and incorporate my company logo, choose color schemes, manage user access rights and many other features. I can now easily manage the recruitment process with the versatile integration of ZingHR with job portals like Naukri, Monster. I can even post my requirements directly through ZingHR to LinkedIn, Facebook and even Twitter. I can quickly churn out appointment letters from pre-approved salary templates. Employee creation, employee lifecycle, settlement, payroll management, reports gallery. ZingHR gives me all the reasons to not step aside. By logging in as admin, I can decide what HR managers can control. So, let's not just work, but work with a difference. ZingHR is pre-configured to meet the various scenarios for your industry and provide a comprehensive solution to your entire organization's need. With scalable modules, the HCM cloud software gives you a veritable dashboard of all employee activities. Hire to retire processes are now best practice enabled. ZingHR HCM is delivered on the encrypted cloud from Tier 3 data centers with a 99.95% availability SLA. It is also available on mobile devices. Though there's a lot more to be added to this bouquet, I feel now is the good time to try it out. Meanwhile, I'll go back to my circle of life. A new viewer awaits my attention. So, take care and goodbye.